morning, students. Welcome to Shiksha Sanjog online teaching learning program of Nuapada district. On behalf of DU Nuapada, I welcome you all to this session. Dear students, just before you have heard a tune. Can anyone guess the tune? What is the tune about? Yes, anybody else? Okay, yes. This tune is about Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram Patita Pavana Sita Ram. Yes, students, Raghava Raja Ram. Yes, this was the favorite version of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, students, you know very well Mahatma Gandhi. Have you seen the photograph of Mahatma Gandhi? And this is the photograph of Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Yes, students, he was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat, and he was died on 13th January 1948. Actually, he was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. Yes, students, Mahatma Gandhi is popularly known as the father of our nation. He was the leading leader. He was the leading leader of India's freedom movement. India's freedom movement. Yes, students, Mahatma Gandhi was the architect of India's freedom. Yes, students, he was also the great man of our generation. He was a man of non-violence. He was called as Mahatma for his contribution to India, not only for India but also for the human society. Okay, students, we know many things about Mahatma Gandhi, but we do not know his school time. What was he like as a student? Who were his teachers? Whether his teachers liked him or not? How did he respect his teachers? How did his teachers like him? All these things we are going to read. There is a topic in English textbook, and the name of the topic is At the High School. At the High School. Okay, students, this topic At the High School is taken from Gandhiji's autobiography, My Experiment with Truth. This is an autobiography of Gandhi, and it was written in Gujarati language, and later it was translated by Mahadev Desai in English. Mahadev Desai, and from English to Odia it was translated by Gopabandhu Chaudhary. गोपबंधु चौधरी एंड आत्मकथा अथवा सत्यर प्रयोग दिस इज द ओडिया वर्सन ऑफ गांधीजी's autobiography My Experiment with Truth. Okay students, so what is autobiography? What is autobiography? Autobiography is a life story of a person written by himself. And biography means a life history of a person written by others. So this is the difference between biography and autobiography. So Gandhi also wrote another 2 books, and the name of the books are Hind Swaraj and Indian Home Rule. These are other 2 books written by Mahatma Gandhi. Dear students, Gandhi started his education from Rajkot English School. Gandhi started his schooling from Rajkot English School. Later, this English school became a full-fledged high school, and Gandhi was matriculated in 1887 from this high school, and after India's independence, this high school renamed as Mohandas High Schools. So students, Gandhi was good at English. He was fair in arithmetic, good in conduct, and bad in handwriting. So what was Gandhi like during his school age? We shall discuss in this prose piece. So dear students, you read the first paragraph silently and note the difficult words. Okay students, the first paragraph of this prose piece at the high school. The text: I was not regarded as a fool at the high school. I always enjoyed the affection of my teachers. Certificates of progress and characters used to be sent to the parents every year. I never had a bad certificate. In fact, I even won prizes after I passed out of the 2nd standard. In the 5th and 6th, I obtained scholarships of rupees 4 and 10 respectively, an achievement for which I have to thank good luck more than my merit. Okay students, what is the first paragraph about? What is the first paragraph about? The first paragraph is about Gandhiji's winning prizes and scholarships. The first paragraph is about Gandhiji's winning prizes and scholarships at the high school. Did his teachers like him? Did Gandhi's teachers like him? Yes. His teachers liked Gandhi very much. And the sentence, I enjoyed the affection of my teachers, indicates that his teachers liked him very much. Okay, students, what sorts of certificates were sent to the parents every year? What sorts of certificates? The certificates of progress and character were sent to the parents every year. Okay, students, when did he win prizes? When did Gandhi win prizes? Gandhi won prizes when he passed out the second standard. After passing out the second standard, Gandhi won prizes. Okay, students. In which standard did Gandhi get scholarship? In which standard did Gandhi get scholarship? Gandhi got scholarship in 5th and 6th standard. Gandhi obtained scholarship in 5th and 6th standard. What were the amount of scholarship? The amount of scholarship in 5th standard was 4 rupees and the scholarship of 6th standard was 10 rupees. Gandhi obtained scholarship of 4 rupees in 5th standard and 10 rupees in 6th standard. Okay, students, for his scholarships, he thanked his good luck. He had deep belief in his good luck. So he thanked his good luck for his scholarships. Okay, students, this is all about the first paragraph. Okay, students, look at the whiteboard. The main ideas of the paragraph 1. So, what are in the first paragraph? Yes, students, Gandhiji was not regarded as a fool at the high school. It means Gandhi was a good student. Gandhi enjoyed the affection of his teachers. Gandhi always enjoyed the affection of his teachers. It means Gandhi was liked by every teacher, and certificates of progress and characters were sent to the parents every year. So every year, progress certificates and character certificates were sent to the every parents of each student. Next, Gandhi had never a bad certificate. This indicates that Gandhi was a good student. Okay. Next, Gandhi won prizes after the second standard, and he also obtained scholarship rupees 4 in 5th standard and 10 rupees in 6th standards. And for the achievement of scholarship, Gandhi thanked his good luck more than his merit. Gandhi thanked his good luck. So students, this is all about the first paragraphs. Thank you. Have a good day.